Hi, welcome to Marinemax Seabrook. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our 2017 Grady White 330 Express, which is powered by twin Yamaha 354 strokes. This boat boasts a 13-foot 2-inch beam, so you've got a big feel for a 33-foot boat. As we walk up through the transom back here, you'll notice that we've got our freshwater flushes for the engines located nice and conveniently towards the aft of the boat. Big insulated fish box, which does have freezer coils that'll run around the outside of the box so you can refrigerate or freeze it. Keep your fish nice and fresh throughout the day. Freshwater shower located right here in the transom. You also have a raw water wash down up under the gunnel back here. Seating for 2 to 3 adults. Right across the back. The whole deck's self-bailing, so any kind of water that gets on here is going to run right off and over the side of the boat. So move up forward underneath the hardtop here, you notice our sure shade. Life jacket storage underneath the hardtop. This boat does have the sunroof as well. Full enclosure for the AB2 hardtop drop curtain off the back. Live well is going to be located here on the starboard side. And we've got extra storage for tools, leaders, everything you need to get out and fish for the day. Move back over to the port side over here. We've got a freshwater sink, bait prep area, lots of extra storage for all your extra gear that you may need throughout the day. Easy steps on both sides to get up to the bow for easy access. Big helm seat located center drive, so you've got 360-degree view all the way around the boat. The seat does telescope up and down. You've got room for 4 to 5 people, maybe even 6 up under the hardtop here. This is air conditioned and heated as well. Center seat here will drop down, so you have opposing seating on the starboard side, as well as a flip-up cushion on the port side, so you extend out those legs. 2 12-inch displays will mount flush into the dash here. We've got our electronics box, which we can raise or lower, depending on where you want your electronics. Digital controls, bow thruster, engine instrumentation, stereo. Got a nice compass flush mounted in the dash. The top of the windshield, we do have an electric vent. Let that natural air come through. And it's almost a big panoramic view underneath the hardtop. As we work our way down into the cabin, we've got room to sleep up to 5 adults, very easy. The dinette will drop down, cushion mounts on top. We've got some extra storage with bins located up underneath the forward V-berth. Sleeping for 2. TV with DVD player, stereo, refrigerator. We've got our cooktop microwave. Plenty of storage throughout all the cabinetry as well. We've got those are big mid-cabin that's going to run across the beam. Then on the starboard side, stand-up head with hot water and overboard discharge. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2017 Grady White 330 Express. We look forward to seeing you soon.